Hello, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Jocelyn, and today I'm going to show you how to design a flyer for social media. It's a church flyer for social media. And before we got right into the video, I want you to do me a favor. Keep subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to share to your loved ones to watch and subscribe. Without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So these are the details for the design. So looking at this, this one I forgot to record it, so I've already started, but not to worry. I'm going to show you the code of the colors, so when you click on that, is the code for the colors. Okay, so when you look here, you're going to see the code of the colors as well. Looking at this one too, you can see the colors, the code of the colors. Okay, so that is very easy for you to get to know the kind of colors that I'm using. I want to log it, so I'll just stand somewhere here, highlight this, and then lock it here. Okay, so now I'll go for my details. Okay, the details are right here on I pasted that on my Microsoft Word, so I'll go ahead and copy from here, and after copying, I'll come back to Photoshop and click on my type tool, that is the horizontal. I'll click on that. I'll increase my font, then I'll change the color because it's the same as the background, so it's not visible. So I'll just click on white, and right from there I'll press Ctrl V on my keyboard to paste that, so that will comes out and brought my, seems it has merged, so I have to separate them. Okay, so I'll click on here like that and separate it because it has been merged, and I don't want that to happen. So this is what I actually have to do right from here. So right from here, I am going to cut this one, the webper first. Okay, I'll cut that. I want that to stand out, so I want that to stand out, so I'll just do that as well. Okay, and I want the first to also stand out. Okay, so this is what I'm actually going to do. I want that to also stand out, so this is what I'm actually doing right here. So I'm going to increase the whopper. I'm going to increase the whopper and so to close the gaps in between like that. So okay, so I have closed the gaps in between, and okay, so I'm actually going to use kind of script font to this one, so I'm going to use script font for I'm actually using Photoshop 2021. So when you are using it, you can automatically change the font. It's all in classes. Okay, so we have serif, slab serif, sans serif, script, black letter, and what have you. So I will go ahead and change it to script. So once you change it to script, you can go ahead and make selections of the script of which you want. Okay, so I think I'll go for this one. It says legends. Okay, so the font name is what? Legends. So I'm actually going to use this one, and I'm going to change the font, the color of the first. I'm actually going to use this one, that's the gradient. So I'll right click, copy layer style, and I'll go and select on this one, right click on it, and then paste it. Okay, so once you come down, you say paste layer style. Okay, so once you paste it, it's going to affect this one, and that will show you that this is actually what you want for your design. And now this one, it's also something that I have to, so I'm actually going to let me see if I give drop shadow to this one. It's going to be kind of a little bit cute. So this is what I'm actually doing right now. Okay, let me try if I can use some gradient to, kind of gradients like that to that. So I wanted not to make long of this video though, but looking at how things are, it's becoming long. So this is what I'm actually doing, something like that. So wrapper first. Okay, so here we go. Wrapper first 2021. So this is how it's going to be like. So 2021, I'm just want to write that in words. Okay, yeah, it's also a style of how you want it. So if you make it this way, it's not a big deal, right? It's not a big deal if you want to make it like that here. It's not a big deal. Okay, so I'm actually going to change that in block letter so that it will suit. So wrapper first 2021, right? Wrapper first 2021. So here we go, like that. Isn't that cute? It's very cute. And now I'm going to change this one, the letters, decrease the size a little bit, and leave it there like that. Okay, so here we go. And now, so I'll go for the dubbed, that is the theme for the program. So that is left, so I'll add that one too. But before that, I want to create a shape, and then I'll paste that inside. So I'll create a shape like this. First of all, this is what I'm going to write the dab inside, and then I'll hold my Alt keyboard and then click and drag. So it's actually going to be a duplication. Okay, so I'll enlarge this one to this place like that, and then I'm going to paste the gradient here, like this one, this color right there. So paste. Okay, and then I'm going to look at what I'm going to do right now. So take good careful of this. I'm going to create kind of a design in here like that. So watch that carefully. Okay, let me zoom it. I'm actually using convert point tool to create that. So I'll create a point here. Okay, and I'll create another point in here like that, and I'll create another point here. So I was actually following the ruler. Okay, and now I'm going to push this point, so I'll hold my shift and use the arrow. Okay, I don't want this curve, so I'll click one here, and the curve in here will go. I'll click the same thing here. So now this is all what I want, like that. Okay, so that's okay by me. So I'll get rid of the rulers like that in here. Okay, so this is all what I want, and it's done. Now I'll go ahead and then bring in paste this is what I was talking about. This is the dab. So paste that in here like that. So it's like so I'm going to close this gap. It seems the gaps between Destiny encounter and then is kind of huge, so I need to close that a little bit and then decrease the size so that it will definitely gonna fix that of the shape there. So I'll do that and it's go in like that. Now I'm going to paste I'm going to type in my dub. Is it DUBBED, right? So I'll check that if that's the correct word. If not, then I change it. So let me look at the spellings. DUBBED. Okay, that is the I'm going to skew it, so I'll hold the middle point like that, and I'll skew it like this.